Okay, now we move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a time when you felt bored. This topic is in the past tense, so you will speak in past tense, right? You should say when it was, who you were with, people. When means time, who means people, what you were doing, activity when you felt bored, and why you felt bored, right? You'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
There have been many times when I feel bored, but
When I felt bored.
but the time, but I would like to talk about the time when which was really bad for me during the corona pandemic. And the government imposed strict restrictions for going outside, and imposed and lockdown. So I have to sit idle on the house and have nothing to do. So my family members are with me. And I have spent times with them. But in the start, I feel very happy because it gives me relaxation from the daily routine works and the daily routine work. But later on, as the time passes, this time will become worse for me because I have nothing to do, and I watch all movies and sit with my family members and spend time with them. And this and as the days passes, this routines goes on, and I feel bored, and I have nothing to do. So that's
Okay, very good. You spoke for 1 minute and 30 seconds, but actually you spoke in present and future. You should have spoken in the past tense. Like you said, I have to do. You should have said, I had to do. Then you said, my family are with me. So it should have been, my family was with me, past tense. Then you said, I feel. It should have been, I felt. Then you said, it gives me. It should have been, it gave me. Right? So you use present and future, whereas your topic was in the past tense. You should focus that. Now we move on to speaking part 3. When do people feel bored?
People feel bored when they don't get relaxation from their daily routines and they did not get gratifications from the workload, so they feel bored from their.
Okay, what can people do when they feel bored?
People can do a lot of activities when they feel bored. They use social medias like YouTube and watch movies and play games and spend time with their and also spend time with their family members.
Okay, do people get bored about daily routines?
Yes, people get bored about their daily routines because the same routines repeats itself, and there is no entertainment in that, so people get bored from.
Okay, so in part 3 try to speak a little more, and in part 2 focus the grammar, especially tenses. The way you perform today, I will give you 5 band now, but if you overcome these grammatical mistakes, you have the ability to achieve 6 band. Okay, thank you.